What's up, guys? It's your boy Dope Strings here. I'm here to bring you a video today, man. This is my first time. Well, I ain't gonna say my first time because normally I just skim through the safety meetings if I ever look at them. But this is a big one, bro. Don't mind the little hole in my freaking hoodie. This freaking happened this morning at a freaking delivery, bro. A delivery. I had to throw this on because it was cold outside. And end up getting caught on the freaking trailer door. But that's a whole different issue, bro. I had a bad morning. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. But I saw the video, man. Prime has a big announcement coming May 10th. I guess I think that's Friday, so it should be like a safety meeting, I'm guessing. And they saying new technology. We already know that the Qualcomms are changing to the little Geo tab, but what we don't know is the cameras. So it's probably damn near a dumb. It's probably damn near a dang deal. However you say it, man. It's really a deal, man. They're getting the cameras. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Every driver does not want this camera in their truck at Prime. I'm not gonna say every driver, but majority of the drivers at Prime do not want a camera in their truck. It's an invasion of privacy. They try to get drivers on the pilot program, but at the end of the day, it's still a camera in your truck. You can say it records only when you get critical events. If you try to pick up your phone, eat food. Not eat food, but pick up your phone, get distracted, basically distracted driving, or like in the case of an accident or something. They want to see what the driver was doing. They say you can't. They say you can't. It can't be live, but if you go to the actual Geotab website, all these cameras can be live. That's definitely false on that. All these cameras can be live. So I'm not understanding what they're saying that it can't be live. And this has been, I've been knew the Geotab was actually coming to Prime. They tried to keep it under wraps, but they said they literally put out I think it was in the app something about Geo or something like that. But I assumed it was Geotab already because I looked at everything online and what they were saying, and they said they tried to say it was just they can't confirm it. Which, come on, bro, stop playing with drivers like that. But it turns out it's Geotab, like I would thought automatically. You go to Geotab website, you can see everything that it records. You can do live view and all that. Putting a camera in a truck is crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I don't even agree with companies that put cameras in other drivers' trucks. I think Snyder. I know Snyder doesn't put them in all the trucks. I don't know what trucks they put the cameras in, but they definitely put cameras in their trucks because they even have the cameras on the freaking mirrors. I think Walmart does inward facing camera, but that's also a freaking company. That's a company job. That's not. I don't think Walmart has any owner ops. I mean, they might have owner ops. Well, no, Walmart does not have owner ops. I'm thinking about dedicated companies that are at the Walmart distribution centers. But anyways, guys, man, this is crazy. I was looking at it. They actually had a driver come in, a woman. I didn't catch the first part. I don't know how long she's been at Prime. I'm guessing she's probably been at Prime a long time. But anyways, she gave a couple notes on like the logs. Was the first one, I believe, on how she had to adjust to the logs. She said that was not a big deal because we changed from, I think, AOBRD or something like that. Maybe it was something like that, bro. It was a long time ago because I was on it as well. We went from that. She said why she came to Prime with the horse. Mr. Robert Lowe, and his wife, I guess they had a horse in Kentucky Derby that they, after it was done racing, they sent it out to Pennsylvania to a horse farm or whatever, a nice place. But anyways, she said that the drive wise, that we switched from pre-pass to drive wise, which I'm not a fan of that either. But yeah, I'm not a fan of that either, actually. because she actually made some great points on that. Because the drive wise, when it pops up on the screen, bro, you literally have to take your eye off the road, just to look at this crap. And like a lot of the freaking way stations, they're not accepted as DriveWise doesn't accept them. I can't explain that. It just doesn't. It just says if you come up to a way station that's not accepted by DriveWise, it'll say pull in unless closed or something like that. It doesn't give you a red light, doesn't give you a green light. Pull in unless closed, bro. That's all it says. But anyways, guys, the last thing she brought up was the camera. I know I'm talking fast, but please try to understand, because I'm trying to get this out to drivers as soon as possible, for drivers that are coming to Prime and drivers that are currently at Prime. They actually said, like I said, they didn't specifically say the camera situation, but what she said was she brought up the camera situation that somebody higher up had told her about. Of course, we already know it's the camera situation. When they said technology in trucks, we already knew they was doing the they're trying to switch from OmniTrack to the Geotab. That's pretty much a done deal. But the camera situation, she had brought that up as her last thing, and it's like she actually started tearing up because Prime was actually are going to bring cameras and put them inside trucks. We're not just talking about dash cam. We're talking about inward facing cameras. I don't know which trucks they're going to do. Like if they're going to do company trucks, lease operators, and owner-operators that own their truck. I don't know which ones, but we will know on May the 10th. Hopefully it's not owner-ops, because if it's owner-ops, bro, I will not be buying any more trucks. I will not be leasing any trucks onto Prime if that's the case, because I don't believe in invading drivers' privacy, and I don't want to put a driver in a truck and they have a camera in the truck. That's just me. That's just me. I don't care what you're doing in your freaking truck. That's your truck. As long as you're not doing anything that's not safe. That's all I care about. If I get any freaking messages or anything about that, I probably would kick you. I probably would kick you out of my truck, because you're obviously not paying attention to the road. You can crash or anything, but I'll probably kick you out of my truck. But anyways, yeah, she started tearing up about the thing, invasion of privacy. That's her home. Like a lot of drivers feel like it's their home, bro. It's their home. I'm in my truck a lot out the year, bro. I do not want no camera constantly staring me down in my face. That's me. Like a lot of drivers feel that way. And you can't be mad at drivers, bro. Nobody wants a camera in their truck watching them 24/7. And they like I said, they probably say it's no live viewing. That's a lie, bro. You can definitely live view on Geotab. Go to their website and look at it, man. You can definitely live view. So do not believe that, bro. You can literally, matter of fact, I might put an actual link in the description to the Geotab website where you can actually see this and see everything that this Geotab does. Well, not the actual like Qualcomm thing, but the camera. You'll see everything that this camera does. So I'm not believing any of that crap. But yeah, she faced her concerns. She started tearing up, man. It sounded like she was crying. It was an older woman. I mean, it was sad, bro. It was sad. And this is what one of the associates at Prime did. He tried to push the Geotab on her. Tried to see, well, not push it like force her to get it, but well, everybody gonna get it regardless. But anyways, he tried to get her to be in the pilot program, which is nothing but testing the camera, actually showing her what it actually does and all that. But yeah, that's basically what's happening right now at Prime, bro. It seems like the cameras are a for sure thing coming to Prime, bro. So if you're debating on coming to Prime, I would strongly I'm not saying you shouldn't come to Prime, but I would strongly encourage you to freaking think about it, because they're going to get cameras. If they don't get the cameras, I'll make another video, but it seems like that's a freaking sure thing right now, bro. I feel like it's definitely a sure thing. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. And like I said, bro, I'm pretty sure it's 90% of drivers at Prime that do not want cameras inside of their trucks. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a lot of drivers that end up leaving Prime because of this. Definitely drivers that are in better financial situations. where they could just leave Prime and they don't really care. I mean, if you got freaking 10, 20 years, freaking even 6 years, no freaking accidents on your record, a pretty clean record, I'm sure any company will freaking grab you. Trust me, any company will freaking grab you. I get freaking emails and stuff from companies all the time that want me as a driver on their fleet. Even if you own your truck, that's even better. I mean, you can take your truck anywhere, bro. It's not that freaking serious. It's not that serious at all. But anyways, guys, man, it was crazy, bro. It was crazy. She was starting to tear up, man. It was sad. It was sad, bro. It was sad. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, bro. It was really sad, man, watching that. I don't know. I don't want to say Prime doesn't care about their drivers, because I believe that Prime does care about their drivers. That's my opinion. But it's like, I don't know who's in their ear, or it's like they're going in the wrong direction. They're going in a bad direction with the camera situation. Okay, dash cams, cool. I'm okay with that. I can learn to live with that. Because like I said, I be having situations on the road where I get cut off and I create a critical event. I don't have many right now, but like I said, it create a critical event. You can't get those wiped off your your file or whatever until like 6 months or something like that, or 6 months, or you have a dash cam footage of what actually happened. So I don't mind the dash cam. I feel like that's a great addition to trucks, having that dash cam in your truck. It's the inward facing cameras, bro. I feel like that's an invasion of privacy. No associate at Prime would agree to have two cameras put in their house, one in the freaking when you come in the door and one in their bedroom. They would never do that. They would never do that. I'm pretty sure they would never do that. When I say that, like a camera put in their house, I'm not just talking about for their viewing. I'm talking for everyone's. They wouldn't do that. But they want drivers to actually put a camera in their truck. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It's crazy. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do for me. I own my truck, bro. I don't want no camera in my truck. So if May 10th come around and they're saying that all drivers will get cameras, I hate to tell you, but your boy might be gone from Prime. I'm okay with the tablet and all that. I mean, I like my Omnitrax thing. I don't have issues like other drivers say they have issues with. I actually like the older one, but it's not a big deal with me with that. They're gonna have a new I think Copilot is the navigation system, which a lot of the really all the Peterbilts already have Copilot. I don't never use it because I don't feel like it's as accurate as Navigo that I have. I don't have any other GPS systems besides Google Maps. But Google Maps, I just really use that to in case my Navigo goes out, bro. That's when I use Google Maps. But you also got to have common sense when you use Google Maps, because Google Maps will put you in a bad situation. So if you don't have common sense, do not use Google Maps. I'm just helping you guys out. But anyways, guys, bro, let me know your goddamn thoughts, man. Your thoughts. Thumbs up, thumbs down on this video. Drop a comment. Would you be okay with Prime putting an inward facing camera in your truck, looking at you 24/7? They say they're not gonna, of course a company will say they're not gonna look at you 24/7 what's going on, but I mean, do you really trust them? Do you really trust that? I mean, me personally, I don't trust anybody. I don't even freaking trust family. Well, I trust my girl, but I don't trust family. Like everybody in my family, I don't trust them. Now I'll even tell you that. I'll tell them that to their face. I've told them that to their face. And they was astonished when I said it. But anyways, guys, man, let me know what you guys think, man. Let me know what you guys think. Seems like it's a sure thing, bro. I will not. I can't see myself putting a inward facing camera in my truck. Dash cam, okay, but inward facing, nah. But anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts, man. How you guys feel about this information? I don't like this, man. I don't like this for us. I don't like this for us at Prime, bro. I don't like this at all. I'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully this doesn't happen, but who knows? It seems like it's a done deal right now. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.